Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in auto insurance with Mercury Insurance, detailed guide step by step clearly. Investing in auto insurance with Mercury Insurance is a strategic way to protect your vehicle and finances. Begin by assessing your insurance needs. Consider factors such as your vehicle's make and model, your driving habits, and state requirements. Next, visit the Mercury Insurance website. Navigate to the auto insurance section for comprehensive information. Review the different types of coverage available. Common options include liability, collision, and comprehensive coverage. Use the online quote tool to get an estimate. Enter your vehicle information and personal details as prompted. After submitting your information, review the quotes provided. Compare coverage options and premiums from Mercury Insurance. Take note of the limits and deductibles associated with each policy. Check for available discounts to potentially lower your premium. Consider factors like safe driving, bundling with other insurance, or good student discounts. Once you've chosen a policy, initiate the application process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your purchase. Provide any additional required information accurately. Before finalizing, review the policy details carefully. Ensure that all coverage and terms match your needs. After confirming your application, you will receive a policy document. Keep this document in a safe place for future reference. Finally, set reminders for policy renewal dates. This will help you maintain continuous coverage and take advantage of any renewal discounts. By following these steps, you can successfully invest in auto insurance with Mercury Insurance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.